Hi, Doodlebug. This is our garden. These are the bean plants. So you can see beans in there. Here's a bean. Here's a bean. There's a really curly bean. So we have 2 bean plants. Here's the other one. It's some beans. Not ready to harvest. I wait till they get a little fatter. And then down here is our raised bed with basil and beans. These are little bean seedlings. These ones I just transplanted because you're supposed to put 2 beans in a hole, and so I transplanted them, and hopefully they make it. You're supposed to just kill them, but since we had some seeds here that didn't make it, hopefully they make it. And then here I just planted some more seeds in this space, and then our sad little basil. Okay, that's today's video. Bye.